Risa.
And I'm Nikita.
We are here to talk about natural gas.
Natural gas is a hydrocarbon-rich gaseous fossil fuel found in oil fields, natural gas fields, and coal beds.
From class, we know that natural gas is a non-renewable resource and it is the third largest commercial fuel.
It is composed primarily of methane, and it produces nearly half as much CO2 per unit of energy compared to coal.
We wanted to know more about natural gas, so we interviewed Tristan Maycock from KLX Energy Services, and this is what he had to say.
We've learned in class about natural gas, but we've not learned the different classifications of it. So we were wondering if you could tell us about it, and if you're familiar with like dry gas, sweet gas, acid gas, wet gas, and sour gas. So.
No, in the oil field, people generally classify it in two ways, and that's sweet gas and sour gas. Sweet gas is your good gas that can't really hurt anybody, and sour gas is gas that has H2S in it or other hydrocarbons that can hurt you.
Do you think that natural gas will replace oil completely because it's abundant, so cheap, and now so global?
No, I do not think natural gas will ever replace oil, and that's in the means because petroleum is in pretty much every product that we use in today's world. And the only way that they could ever do it is if you can find a way to take like a liquid form of natural gas and convert it to the same way that petroleum acts in materials.
Do you agree that North America is one of the best places to store natural gas because of our geology?
Yes, I do believe North America is best to store natural gas because of our geology, and that is because we have a very porous formation around the U.S.
Why does the price of natural gas change? Does it have a peak season? If so, could you explain it?
Yes, it has a peak season, and that's in the winter because of everybody needing to burn more gas to heat their homes, and it's changing the price because it goes, so say everybody uses it in the wintertime, and then it goes in a higher price demand then, so that you come around summer, and that's when we go into storing the storage units around the U.S. to store it for the next winter, and in that process people aren't buying it as much, so it goes down in price.
Which kinds of natural gas are the safest for the human and natural environment?
That would be your dry gas or your sweet gas, and it's the safest for the environment because it has less means of bringing in hydrocarbons or H2S with the, say, water or condensate or oils that are coming into the well. So when it's going through your process of being separated or any other process going on in the well location, dry gas or sweet gas is the safest for the environment and everybody around it, other than, say, your sour gases. That would not be good.
Is it possible to run out of natural gas? Like a limited supply of oil is that possible?
I don't think so in our lifetime or anytime soon, because there's a great abundance of natural gas everywhere. So I do not believe that we can run out of it in any time.
All right. Is there a difference between natural gas and shale gas?
No, there's not a difference between natural gas.
I saw a video of the idea that natural gas should be used instead of other energy resources. I think that using natural gas instead of them isn't good for the global environment. Except for the fact that natural gas is cheaper than them, what do you think?
I think actually natural gas is really good for the environment. It burns cleaner. I mean, there's less into getting it than there is, say, coal or trona, any other than natural resource that makes big problems going in and getting. Natural gas isn't that big of a problem in eyes of some people. But with it means of burning cleaner, so say replacing power plants, coal burning power plants is what you're gonna start burning cleaner there, you're gonna get rid of your smogs, And the only thing that would happen is it'd be in higher demand, so the price of gas would fluctuate and it would actually be going up.
What are the best things and worst things from using natural gas for the environment and humans?
There's really nothing good for the environment on using natural gas, but some of the things that are bad for it is, say, going out and drilling wells, completing wells. People look at that in a bad way because it's hurting our vegetation and animal migration paths. So people do not believe that that's good. So if you can look at it that way, it's bad for the environment. For humans, it's good for us. We use it every day, all day. It's in our houses. And what's bad for us is the only time it really be bad is if you get into a spot where you have H2S gas that can kill you.
KLX Energy Services is a leading U.S. onshore provider of value-added mission-critical oilfield service focused on completion, intervention, and production activities for the most technically damaging wells. KLX Energy's experienced and technically skilled personnel are supported by a broad portfolio of specialized tools and equipment, including innovative proprietary tools developed by the company's in-house R&D organizations. KLX Energy supports its customers on a 24/7 basis from over 35 service facilities located in the key major shale basins, including the Permian, Eagle Ford, Rockies, Bacon, Marcellus, Utica, and Midcon.